Hey guys, I'm Matteo with WTI, and this back and neck massager is a must-have. I got this for my wife because she always asks me for back rubs, but I ended up stealing it from her. It has really helped me a lot to feel relaxed and to work on my back soreness after a good workout. I really like that I can use it basically in any part of my body, and I mostly use it anywhere from my neck to my lower back. I like that I can focus on a specific area with the way I hold it with my arms. It has a few levels of intensity that I can choose depending on what I need, and a very cool feature is that it heats up, which works great on sore muscles. I have had it for a couple years now and it is still working great, which shows how durable it is. I think this is a great gift to get for anyone in the family. And that is my point of view.